In FAIST, we develop a few solutions. Some of them are within the production lines to help us produce different products and better products and in shorter and quicker times. Also, at the same time, we develop a few of digital tools to develop design shoes to make it easier, quicker, and more realistic. Let's say 3D prototyping, digital prototyping, and 3D printing for quick prototyping. So we try to be as much in the digital world, we try to be as much real as possible to reduce samples, to get quicker to the market, to have the conversation with the client in an easier and quicker way. At the same time, the prototype and 3D print and all the things, they help us to get the idea of the shoe in real life. Of course, sometimes it's not the same product, but we can get a really good idea. At the same time, we need to work from design to production to the commerce. From design, digital tools, from production, automation islands to detect defects, to produce smaller injection lines instead of those big direct injection lines, and of course the totally from design, almost from the materials to the final product. We have a work project that is developing a full automated line with few human interventions, almost for the initial materials to the cutting, to the stitching, to the full assembly of the footwear. So we're working in full lines, digital automation islands, and of course digital tools for product creation, product development, product communication, software for product communication, and at the same time for commercialization, of course, to produce good images so we can sell our products. We can't forget the eco-design, we can't forget the demanding in using recyclable materials. Within the sole producers, we are incorporating residues. We are developing methods to incorporate those residues from production in the soles. So we are working within the whole process of the footwear.